When the trait theories failed to identify a list of traits for great leadership, researchers began to wonder how a leader's behaviors might impact their success. So in the 1940s, researchers at The Ohio State University identified two broad categories of behaviors that leaders use to varying degrees: initiating structure and consideration. Initiating structure is the extent to which a leader defines and structures the task, the extent to which they define and structure their role and the roles of their followers. They do this to facilitate goal attainment. It's all about getting things done when they use these types of behaviors. For instance, they might assign tasks, try to maintain high levels of performance, emphasize deadlines, ask people to make corrections. Consideration, on the other hand, is more about the people. This is the extent to which a leader has relationships with their followers that are based on mutual trust, respect for ideas and respect for differences, and regard for their feelings and their experience in the workplace. So a leader who is high in consideration helps their employees with personal problems, is friendly and approachable, tries to treat everyone as equally as possible, and also shows appreciation for everyone's effort and their contributions to the goals.